yan. Naka-record na yan.
Papadala kay Paul.
You can reach me by railway. You can reach me by trailway. You can reach me on an airplane. You can reach me with a mind. You can reach me by car ride. Cross the desert like an Iron Man. I don't care how you get here. Just get here if you
Huwag
can.
tatanggalin yung semento dyan.
You can reach me by sailboat. Climb a tree and swing road to road. Take a sled and slide down slow into these arms of mine. You can jump on a speedy coach, cross the border in a blaze of hope. I don't care how you get here, just get here if you can. There are hills and mountains between us, always something to get over. If I had the way, surely you would be closer. I need you closer. You can whisper into my life.
Oy, Justin, patay mo yung ilaw dyan. O yung mga paputok mo doon. Magdadala pag nabaho na. Paputok.
There were hills and mountains between us, always something to get over. But if I had the way, surely you would be closer. I need you closer. You can read something to my life. Take me up on the covered ride. You can make it in a big balloon, but you better make it soon. You can reach me by a car ride. Cross the desert like an Iron Man. I don't care how you get here, just get here.
Hindi pa na naka-record. iPad!
I don't care.
Patay ka.
I need you right here, right now. I need you right here, right now, right by myself. Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah.
Ako ang ata ko. Yan, akin nyo. Alis dyan. Pagbibigan mo na ako.
Wala kaya, nandun ang klasa na may sabi.
O, yung ilaw sa loob, patayin mo.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, yeah,
oh,
oh.
Ate, sa akin.
I don't care how you get here, just get here if you can.
Ate, ibalik mo nga gusto mo na mamimili ako.
This I promise you.
Gusto nga di say promise.
Yoo! Kumanta ka na.
Ayan, isa promise you.
Ayoko, use it.
Tumatalon-talon naman.
Mag-happy birthday na lang kayo. Siyang birthday. Ito Still ante.
Wala kasing go on girl eh. Kung meron yung content, go on girl.
Ew.
Ayaw kasi. Masyado akong,
Masyado.
masyado akong magaling baka.
Yok.
Ating message. Hi.
Meron pa.
Hello.
Come on.
Ano nga, labot pa yung masa.
Ay,
Wala ka.
wala, ano na nangyari na?
Uy. Si Pyray. Cause well awake.
Si Pera. Ano nangyari dito? Tingnan mo din yung tingnan mo.
Nababalo na naman ako.
Ate, kinakantang ka. May hilig lang yan.
Wala eh.
Uy, kasi
Ibang kanta naman na.
yung ano yung isang lahi. Ano to? Is it okay if I call you mine? Yung may isang lahi.
Isang lahi, ba't ka makakanta ng isang lahi dito?
Ang gusto mo, ayan, mula sa puso. Mula sa puso kay, ano, kay Rico yan.
Sino ang baliw? Sino ang kanta?
Ako! Starting na lang sino
Ang
ang
model ng cherry ate.
Tuloy na yun, oh.
Bakit? Yan, Mi. Ano yun?
Mula sa puso ngayon gusto ko dyan, eh.
Ay, is it okay if ever you're in my arms again?
Yung ba, if ever you're in my
All coming back to me now.
Oo, yun.
That's the way it is. Then you look at me. And I've
When you look.
Walang true colors.
Wala. Hello? Hello?
Kasi yung true colors.
Just buksan mo yan.
Ano
Bakit di
ba
ba
yan?
two colors yan?
Ano yun?
Just ko na mga isa, tape, tapos lagay mo to.
Kala daw.
Uy, nanila-nila yung ano. Yan, dali. Tama na yun. Sobrang mababa.